Oh my God. Did Apple force little children to build the Apple Watch with their little children fingers? Probably.
Get daily tech news in a way that doesn't suck. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next episode.
Oh, hey, hi, hello, hola. Welcome to Front Page Tech, of course, show that gives you all the latest tech news from one geek, that is me, to another, that is you. Happy Monday. Without further ado, let's do the thing that we do. It's a news show, so, you know. So first up, story numero uno, OnePlus 6T. We has it. Well, it was announced, and it is exactly what we thought it was going to be. So all the leaks that we've had for the last month or two, they were accurate. You know what? I don't even want to talk about it. I'm not going to talk about the details of the phone. Really, a bunch of YouTubers, like every tech YouTuber that was not us, released a video about this phone today. So if you're really interested, you want a good look, go watch, not this, watch something else. Although, I will say the animation that happens when you use the in-display fingerprint scanner, ugh. Looks like something straight out of a Halo game, and I don't like it. The really, really good news is that it's available with T-Mobile this year. First major U.S. carrier to carry, carrier is carrying. It's the first one in the U.S. to carry a OnePlus device. That's cool. Also, this phone will work on Verizon's network. Also a first for OnePlus. Work on Verizon's network, not be carried by Verizon. Work on the network. Now, I know you guys probably want my opinion on the OnePlus 6T. As far as my thoughts go, this is a great freaking device. We knew it was going to be a great device, so this pretty much just confirms it. Like I said, we knew everything going into this event. This is a great phone. In fact, I will go as far as to say as the OnePlus 6T is everything that the Pixel 3 should have been. Yeah, I said it. Also in the news today, Twitter is about to make a massive no-no. This was first reported by The Telegraph. Twitter CEO Jack Dorsey told employees at an in-house event sometime last week that he's quote-unquote not a fan of the heart-shaped button, and that Twitter would be getting rid of it quote-unquote soon. So the tweets without the other part of Twitter. I guess according to Jack, this would be a way to encourage more debate, more conversation and engagement on Twitter. So instead of liking a tweet, you'd have to reply, conversative conversations. That's what Jack says. I say, this is a fucking stupid idea. I get that some people think somehow this will create more healthy conversations on Twitter, create more actual engagement of like people talking back and forth and stuff, but like, nah, it won't, because sometimes I don't care enough. I don't have enough facts in the field for the tweet or the person. I want to acknowledge it, but I don't want to retweet it, and I don't want to talk to him. So I just want to hit the heart, just do the heart thing. I like this. I saw it. Hey, that sort of thing. Don't get rid of it. You're gonna get rid of it. You're not gonna listen to me. It's stupid. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section below. Stupid idea or great idea? If you say great idea, I don't trust you. Hey, just a question for you real quick. Hypothetically, of course, how would you feel, say, if you found out that the Apple Watch that was on your wrist was built by a little kid with their little kid fingers? This is certainly not the first time we've heard anything about child labor and Apple, but a new report claims that student labor was used to assemble the Apple Watch, and now Apple is investigating it. Now, I need to clarify this right now. It's not like a bunch of little kids are like in the basement of Apple headquarters in California just slaving away at building Apple Watches. Like, Tim Cook just goes downstairs, he's like, Hey, you building the Apple Watch? And the little kids, but my little fingers, they're so raw, they're burning to me. And he's like, I don't give a f***, you build that watch, damn it. We all know Apple doesn't do any of their own manufacturing in-house. They contract other companies to do it, and that's where the issue is. You see, we're talking here about the company Quanta Computer. They apparently help Apple manufacture the Apple Watch, and they might have had students do the building of the thing. The report details how dozens of students were working as interns, but interns is not the right word, because what was actually happening was They were working, reminder, children, students, were working assembly line shifts often throughout the night. Apparently, some were working 6 days a week, 12 hours a day. And of course, as always, Apple has a quote-unquote zero tolerance for this sort of thing, so they're investigating it. So, I don't know, I guess we just wait till we hear more about it, if we ever hear more about this. Listen, this is not the first time a claim like this has been made about Apple, about really any company. It wouldn't, let me put it this way, I wouldn't be surprised. Take that or leave it. Take it for what it's worth.
And now, today's sponsor.
If you've seen an episode of Front Page Tech before, then you know that the world's best VPNs love to come to us for promotion, and this one is no different. Now, PureVPN wants to show why they are the new top dog on the dog pile. PureVPN is a critically acclaimed VPN service that unfilters everything that you care about online. Want to watch that Netflix special that's only available in Vietnam? How about that music video on YouTube that's not available in Germany? PureVPN is simple, condensed internet freedom. With over 2,000 servers in 140 plus countries, you can be anywhere you need to be whenever you want. And the best part, if you are not happy in 31 days, you get your money back. No hassle, no questions asked. It's that simple, but we know you'll be happy. Go ahead and check out that link in the description below to sign up for PureVPN right now. Go tell them your boys sent you, and you get a perted discount with that link too. And that's the show. Hopefully you liked it, you learned something. If you did, hit that like button. If you hate my stupid face, hit the dislike button. Of course, if you're new here, subscribe. And the accent, the Tim Cook accent is just bleeding over. See you guys tomorrow.